Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? Fiddle plus stick plus zzz. Fiddle sticks. Fiddlesticks. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Won a game, and in doing that, she picked up over $8,000 in prizes. This is Lisa Bondi. Welcome back, Lisa. Your fiancé out there again today watching you?
Yes, he is.
All right. You've already won the trip.
He can't wait.
He can't wait for that holiday. All right. Good luck to you today against the same opponent you faced on our last show. Let's welcome back Carl Sherman. Carl,
how's it going?
Good luck to you today.
All set. Ready to go.
You ready?
All set.
Okay. Check it out over here. We've got a good prize for your home.
This handsome reproduction of a farmhouse cupboard features glass doors for displaying all your treasures, drawers and cupboards for storage, furnished by Charles & Charles. Alex?
And Lisa and Carl, here's where you'll find that beautiful piece of furniture. The kitchen hutch is at number 22, a holiday Dominican Republic, a beach resort vacation, perhaps awaiting you, Carl. You get to go first in this one.
Okay, I want to find that trip. Let's look under number 7.
200 California lottery tickets.
Oh, that'll work. And number 25.
Camping equipment, no match there. Lisa?
How about number 9?
Number 9 is a red take.
And let's look for the match or a wild card under number 13.
Dead center, a dishwasher. Carl?
Okay, let's try the corner, number 1.
Stereo system?
Oh, I could use a new stereo system. How about number 11?
There's a wild card for you.
Put away.
The other stereo on the same line at position 15. 3 panels opening up for CS. Pick again.
Okay, I'm still after that trip. Let's go right in the center for number 13.
Dishwasher.
Oh, she just called it. Number 8.
No. Lisa.
Let's try number 5.
Diamond watch collection.
Oh, that would be great. Let's look for the match or a wild card under number 2.
No. Red take. Carl?
I'm going to try one more time for that dishwasher. I think it was number 9.
No, that's a red take.
And number 2? Oh.
You almost relaxed yourself into not being able to make that match. You were concentrating so much on the dishwasher. Is there something about that dishwasher that fascinates you, Carl?
Well, my mom could use a new one.
I see.
She could use a new one.
Well, you could help out in the meantime.
If you get a trip, Lisa, I'm taking it. I'm getting you back for yesterday.
All right, let's open these 2 panels for Carl. You'd better select again.
Okay, let's try number 4.
Crystal glasses and decanter.
And number 19.
Wild card. The other crystal glasses and the decanter. At number 18. 3 panels opening up and another chance to solve the puzzle. Try it again.
Okay, how about number 20?
Dishwasher.
Number 13.
Yes.
I wasn't sure if it was 8 or 13.
Amazing what our brains put us through. Open these 2 panels, please, for Carl. Again.
Okay, I'm going to have to open up some of the left side of the board. How about number 12?
Camping equipment.
And the match is number 25?
Camping equipment is right. Carl, you're on your way to sweeping all the prizes in this game. Open the panels. Try it again.
Oh, boy. I don't think we've seen number 16 yet.
Kitchen hutch.
And the match for the hutch is number 22?
Kitchen hutch. Lisa is in awe. Yeah, she's not getting a chance to do anything on the program today. So far, it's all Carl. Open these two panels. Try it again.
God. That trip is still there, and I don't think we've seen number 14.
200 California lottery tickets.
And the match is my lucky number 7.
200 California lottery tickets. Lisa, all you can do is stay alert, concentrate on the puzzle so that if you get a chance, you'll have a better chance to solve the puzzle if you're given the opportunity. Carl, can you solve it now? Try it again.
Oh boy. How about number 3?
Microwave.
I'm gonna take a guess at number 10.
No, green take. Lisa, here's your opportunity.
How about number 6?
Diamond watch collection.
And the match at number 5.
Right. Now, Carl's got a strike against him, so if you solve the puzzle, we'll have to bid him a fond farewell and put you back in the winner's circle. Can you solve this puzzle? Try it again.
How about number 21?
There's still a wild card up there. Microwave.
And the match at number 3?
Microwave. Right. Take a look. You've got a better than 50-50 chance right now to clear the puzzle.
Let's try number 10.
Well, that's the green take.
Is that at number 8? I want the lottery tickets.
Okay. Give her the lottery tickets. She wants to have fun scraping. Open those two panels. And then let's take a look at 17, 23, and 24. Dominican Republic Beach Resort and the wild card. Lisa, for this great vacation, solve this puzzle. Carl, can you do it? Oh, interesting. Hands on your signaling buttons. All right. This could be said of food, I guess. Lisa?
Mouth watering.
Is it mouth watering? Some food, and some holidays and some prizes. Mouth watering indeed.
The arrow is pointing to his mouth. The baby saying wah, wah plus tear plus ink is watering, mouth watering.
Mouth watering, yeah. Carl, you had a shot at it at the end. It was all available. You had some prizes up there. 2 strikes against you, so we've got to say goodbye. Nice having you here, though, Carl. Good. Take care. So long. All right, Lisa, another big win for you. Another holiday coming up, too. Art?
Lisa, you've got 200 California lottery tickets and a microwave. And a diamond watch collection. The Deauville Diamond Watch Collection by Armatron. Discover fabulous diamonds, rubies, and sapphires surrounding superb quality timepieces. Elegance, beauty, and extraordinary value. Deauville, furnished by Armatron. And Lisa, we're flying you to a Dominican Republic beach resort. We'll fly you and a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to San Juan. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, and while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality, furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll spend 6 nights at the Sandcastle Beach Resort on magnificent Sosua Bay in the Dominican Republic. With superb pool and beach, this Moorish-style resort offers amenities for your vacation pleasure. Furnished by Sandcastle Beach Resort. Prizes totaling $3,610.
Taking her well over $10,000 in total winnings and giving her another shot at a car after this. Is this a happy face? She won over $11,000. Has a chance to win a brand new car. She's a first-year law student. Needs a new car, don't you?
Definitely.
Definitely. She's getting married soon.
Next summer.
Next summer? That's soon. 15 numbered squares. 40 seconds on the clock. Lisa, good luck. Go for it.
1, 4.
No.
7, 10.
No.
13. 14.
No.
4. 14.
Right.
11. 1.
Right.
8. 5,
Nope.
2, 7,
Yes.
3, 6,
No.
9, 5,
No.
12, 5.
Right.
15, 3,
No.
13, 6,
No.
8, 3.
Lost it just a little bit at the end, but you're up to $12,018 in total winnings. And you haven't lost a game yet. Oh, you're going to be around for a while. And we will too, right after this break. Let's meet our newcomer, the man on my right. His name is Richard Lake.
How you doing,
Hiya,
Alex?
Richard Lake. Where are you from?
Well, I'm from Valencia, California. I'm married with 2 children, 12 and 14 months, and 1 coming in 2 months. 1 more. Baby.
Wait a minute. You've got 2 children,
Yeah?
12 and 14 months?
15 months, I'm sorry.
That's a long gap in there. What happened? You take a nap or something?
Yeah. I'm real busy now, though. Made up for it.
You certainly
Yeah,
did.
definitely.
2 in a short span of time. You ready to play?
Definitely.
All right, take a look over here. Here's a great prize.
What a way to go in this Honda Elite scooter, which features an 80cc 4-stroke engine, automatic transmission, electric starter, and room for 2. Alex?
And where can we find that on the board? Right here at number 12. This is the second game of the day, so we have the bonus car seconds in there. We have the cash pot with $500 in it, and we have an Arizona golf and tennis resort vacation, but we have just one, count them, one wild card. And you get to pick first, Richard.
Okay, Alex, let's see if we can't find that wild card under number 9.
Red take.
Take, I can use that later on. Let's try to match that take on number 16.
16, no. A computer. Lisa?
How about number 13?
Mattress set.
A mattress set. We'll look for the match under number 25.
No. Limited edition artwork. Richard?
All right, still looking for that wild card. Let's try number 1.
Green take.
Green take. Let's try to match the take on the number 20.
No. Oak mantle clock. Now, you said you're from Valencia, California?
Well, originally from New York.
Thank you. Because when you said looking for a wild card, I said,
yeah.
that is not Southern California speaking. Lisa, you select.
How about number 5?
Cash pot.
Let's look for the match for that under number 6.
No. Red take. Richard.
Okay, let's try number 5
Cash.
and number 10.
6-player croquet set. Lisa.
Let's look under number 20.
Oak mantle clock.
Was that at 17?
Limited edition artwork. No. Richard.
Okay, let's try number 25 and the match under number 17.
You are right. At long last, we have a match, and we're going to get at least a little look at the puzzle. 2 squares open up. That should be very helpful.
Too early.
Pick again, Richard.
All right, let's try number 21.
Diamond and gold ring.
My wife would like that. Let's try the match under number 3.
Cash pot. No match. Lisa?
Is there a red take under number 6?
Yep.
And the match under number 9?
Right. There it is. Got a limited edition artwork up there.
I'm going to save it.
All right. Open it up. Lisa will get to select again because I don't think she can solve it at this stage. Go.
Was the cash pot under number 5?
Yep.
And the match under number 3?
Yep. You were just waiting to pounce on them, weren't you?
Yes.
Another prize, and select again.
How about number 11?
Mattress set.
And the match at number 13?
Mattress set, yes. Now, Lisa, you've still got this take, and he's got 1 prize up there, and you're starting to open up this board more and more.
I'm still going to save it.
All right. Open the panels, please. Pick again.
How about number 8?
6-player croquet set.
We saw that. Was it number 10?
Yes.
Very good.
No? Not
yet.
Open them. Right again.
I'd like to see under number 22.
Scooter.
And the scooter was at number 12.
Yes. Lisa's on a roll. She's doing what she did in her very first game, in which she won $8,400 in prizes. Open these two panels. Try again.
Let's look under number 19.
Arizona Golf and Tennis Resort Vacation.
I want to find the match to that. Let's look under number 21.
Diamond and gold ring, no match. Richard.
Okay, Alex, I don't think we've seen number 24.
Green take.
Okay, and let's try to match under number 16.
No, that's
I
the
know.
computer. Lisa.
The green takes under number 1.
Right.
And the match at number 24.
Right.
I'll take the artwork.
It's all he's got. She's going to take it, taking everything he's got. And she'll get to keep it, too, if she solves the puzzle. Go again.
Let's try number 15.
Oak mantle clock.
And number 18.
No, the bonus seconds. Richard.
All right, Alex, let's try number 4.
Bonus.
And a match under number 18.
Right. Open these two panels for our challenger. Again.
Okay, let's try to see what's on the number 2.
Computer.
And the match on the number 16.
Computer.
Yes.
And there's still a wild card up there as well. Open it. Again. Whoa. There's the bell. Hands on your signaling buttons. Get ready to ring in. You can ring in after we have revealed the first square, and we'll begin with number 7, 14, 15, 19, 20. Lisa.
In the public eye.
Is it in the public eye? Yep. Champion comes through again. Gets to go to the board and explain the puzzle. You're good.
This is a hen for in, for the pub, plus the leak, which I couldn't figure out, plus the eye, public eye, in the public eye.
In the public eye. Well done. And Richard, one strike only. You'll get
I'll
to
be
play
back.
again. You've learned an important lesson right now, I'm sure. We'll see you in that one. He wants you to win the car, but before we get to that, let's hear about your prizes. Art, please.
Lisa, you won a cash pot worth $500 and a 6-player croquet set and limited edition artwork published by Ron Siegel Galleries, Los Angeles and Seattle. An impressive graphic titled Jackson Square, originally created by artist Watanabe. This limited edition semicraph is numbered and hand-signed by the artist and furnished by Ron Siegel Galleries. And a mattress set. Bassett's Dream Maker gives you just the right combination of firm support and soothing softness. Covered with golden glow satin fabric for exotic elegance. Dream Maker from Bassett. And of course, the Fun to Ride scooter. A prize package totaling $3,797.
Will she win the car this time? Stay with us. Find out. They say the third time is a charm. We are about to discover if that will hold true for this young lady, Lisa Bondi. 15 numbered squares and 45 seconds on the clock. 3/4 of a minute. Lisa, good luck.
1, 4,
No,
7, 10,
no,
13, 14,
no.
4, 14,
Right?
11, 8,
No.
5, 7,
Yep.
2, 3,
No.
1, 6,
Nope.
10, 3,
No. Yes.
11, 6,
Yep.
9, 12,
No.
1, 12,
Right?
15, 8,
Yep.
2, 9,
No.
2, 13.
Oh, boo hiss. Boo hiss. The clock beat you by about 1 second, I would think, but you came so very close. Meanwhile, enjoy the fact that you've got $15,815 in prizes. You've got 2 fabulous vacations. You've got those lottery tickets, and you're going to play again after this.
Some of today's participants may receive Outdoor Products rugged, tough, and lightweight quality luggage. Waterproof 1000 denier Cordura Plus nylon. Great for travel, gym, or athletic use. Furnished by Outdoor Products. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
Even though you have not won the car, your fiancé looked delighted with you, as well he should. Close to $16,000 in prizes. No losses so far, so you're going to come back on our next show and play again. Join us then, won't you? So long, everyone.
This is Art James speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.